Oke, tadi yang 5 itu yang Charlie ya. Dibilang untuk proses minjem buku. Kalau kamu belum pinjam buku, terus ditunjukin caranya ya, itu kan?
Ya.
Oke, kita lanjutkan nomor 6.
Number 6. Where does this conversation probably take place?
Alfa.
Alfa.
Alfa, yakin ya? Karena apa?
Mau minjem buku.
Di depan kayaknya conversation-nya lagi di situ.
Iya, soalnya tadi student identity card, pakai library card, terus masalah buku. Berarti pastinya di library.
Questions 7 to 9. Listen to a conversation that takes place at a hospital.
Good afternoon, Dr. Marshall. I know you must be very busy, so I appreciate your taking some time to talk to me.
Well, that's all right. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm interested in a career in hospital administration. My academic advisor suggested I speak to you. I was hoping you could give me some information about the field.
I'd be glad to. Is there something particular you wanted to know?
I was wondering what type of educational background a hospital administrator needs. Is a degree in medicine required?
No, not necessarily. Some hospital administrators are medical doctors, but many of us aren't. My own doctoral degree is in public administration.
Number 7. Why does the woman want to talk to Dr. Marshall?
Bravo.
Alfa.
Aku bingung antara Alfa dan Bravo.
Oke, Alpha atau Bravo? Oke, yang Bravo, kenapa Bravo?
Karena dia mau nemuin si dokter itu karena disuruh sama guru ya, pembimbing akademiknya. Jadi kayaknya dia mau diskusi gitu aja sih, mau minta pendapat gitu sih.
Oke, kalau yang Alpha?
Karena dia mau minta pekerjaan.
Sorry, kenapa? Tadi ada suara kencang.
Mau nanya tentang pekerjaan. To ask for a job.
Oke.
I was hoping you could give me some information about the field.
I'd be glad
to me.
Well, that's all right. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm interested in a career in hospital administration.
Aku tertarik pada karir di hospital administration.
My academic advisor suggested I speak to you.
Oke, saya disarankan untuk bicara. Nah, bicara untuk
I was hoping you could give me some information about the field.
I'd be glad to.
tentang jurusan ini, tentang bidang ini. Nah, berarti untuk ke advice aja ya, information.
Oke, Miss.
Kalau job belum ya.
Some hospital administration.
Number 8. What is Dr. Marshall's occupation?
Occupation-nya apa? Pekerjaan.
Bravo.
Bravo kayaknya. Bravo.
Bravo, kenapa?
Karena tadi kan dia bilang dia mungkin sibuk apalagi tadi ya? Sibuk sama pekerjaannya atau apa gitu tadi di awal-awal.
Kalau administrator apa pekerjaan yang mau diiniin, yang mau dimasukin. Kalau academic advisor kan itunya lulusannya.
Oke. Academic advisor ini pembimbing akademik.
Oh, pembimbing akademik.
Oke, advisor. Jadi kayak bagian akademik yang ngasih saran kayak gitu ya? Nggak apa-apa diulang lagi.
Advisor suggested I speak to you. I was hoping you could give me some information about the field.
I'd be glad to. Is there something particular you wanted to know?
I was wondering what type of educational background a hospital administrator needs.
Oke, orang yang mau kerja di administratornya rumah sakit tuh perlu apa sih? Nah, kalau dia nanya tentang administrator ke satu orang, berarti orang itu pekerjaannya adalah
Administratornya ya.
iya,
Administrator ya?
iya kan? Misalnya nih, saya mau tanya tentang kedokteran tapi ke anak teknik. Nyambung nggak? Enggak ya?
Enggak.
Is a degree in medicine required?
Jadi malah guessingnya tuh yang ditanya dia pengen job apa, ternyata enggak gitu.
Oke, bukan jobnya apa ya, tapi pekerjaan dokter yang dia tanya. Coba kita lanjut lagi deh.
Not necessarily. Some hospital administrators are medical doctors, but many of us aren't.
Nah, beberapa administrator rumah sakit itu tuh medical doctor, tapi ada lainnya yang bukan kok. Seperti aku juga bukan. Nah, berarti itu termasuk dirinya kan administrator, betul nggak?
Iya.
Oke.
8. What is Dr. Marshall's occupation? Number 9. What is Dr. Marshall's attitude toward the woman?
Attitude-nya dia ke perempuan. Ya?
Helpful.
Helpful, membantu ya.
Membantu sekali.
Oke, sekali. Soalnya ngasih informasi yang berguna.
Question 10. Listen to the following conversation.
Come on, Dorothy. Turn off that television and let's go. The softball game starts in 20 minutes.
Just a second. I want to find out who won the race.
What race? A marathon?
Well, it's kind of a marathon, but for dogs and dog sledders. It's called the Iditarod. It's run every year in Alaska.
Number 10. What will the main topic of this conversation probably be?
Dia ngajak pergi ke
Charlie.
softball game.
Kenapa Charlie?
Soalnya di belakang conversation-nya itu dia bilang what race, terus dia langsung jelasin dog sled race itu ada di Alaska gitu-gitu.
Oke. Cocok ya. Kalau softball game, bukan ya?
Gak ada.
Sih.
Oke, kalau
Nggak
yang
ada.
alpha, the art of raising dog, cara membesarkan, merawat anjing, bukan ya?
Anjing, bukan.
Bukan.
Oke. Jadi bilang race-nya. Terus dijelasin lagi deh, apa sih dog sled itu? Apa sih race yang kamu nonton? Race antara anjing dan dog sled.
Dog sled.
Oke, selanjutnya.
Questions 11 and 12. Listen to the following conversation.
Well, I had a nice relaxing vacation. How about you, Tina?
I wouldn't exactly call it relaxing, but it was interesting.
I remember you said you were either going to Europe or you were going to work at your parents' company.
I changed my mind and didn't do either of those. My anthropology professor talked me into volunteering for an archaeological project in New Mexico.
That does sound interesting.
Number 11. Who is Tina?
Tina siapa?
Alpha.
Charlie.
Tina Charlie, oh ya, university student.
Yakin bukan apa?
Alabes.
Enggak sih, karena dia diajak memang sama si profesor yang arkeologis memang sih.
Ya,
Oke.
proyeknya arkeologi.
Oke, tadi berarti ini profesinya si Tina ya, 11. Kita tinggalin. Nanti kita ulang biar barengan 11-12.
Hmm.
Number 12. What will the two speakers probably discuss?
Alfa.
Alfa
Alpha.
tentang their plans for coming school year gitu ya.
2 years. Ya.
Oke, coba kita ulang.
Questions 11 and 12. Listen to the following conversation.
Well, I had a nice relaxing vacation. How about you, Tina?
I wouldn't exactly call it relaxing, but it was interesting.
I remember you said you were either going to Europe or you were going to work at your parents' company.
I changed my mind and didn't do either of those.
Nah, gimana nih rencana kamu? Katanya kalau nggak kerja sama orang tua kamu bakal ke Europe. Terus si Tina ngomong, aku nggak melakukan keduanya kan?
My
I think
anthropology
my
professor talked me into volunteering for an archaeological project in New Mexico.
Nah, dia gara-gara profesor antropologinya berarti ikut volunteering tentang arkeologi ke Meksiko ya?
Ke Meksiko.
Antropologi.
Does sound interesting.
Number 11. Who is Tina?
Nah, kalau ada profesornya, berarti dia adalah student.
Number 12. What will the two speakers probably discuss?
Bravo.
Alpha.
Alpha, their plans for coming school year. Rencana mereka. Apa hal yang terakhir mereka bicarakan tadi?
Volunteering.
Oke, berarti itu ya.
Oh iya.
Nah,
bukan
probably
bukan rencana isi liburannya ya.
Ya, berarti yang Bravo ya.
Oke, kalau tipikal pertanyaan ini, gampangnya apa yang terakhir mereka bicarakan? Itu yang akan mereka bicarakan. Kayak tadi, contohnya, nanti mau bahas apa? Soalnya kan dia tadi tanya tentang ini kan, tentang materi yang akan keluar ujian. Berarti nanti akan dibahas secara detail kan, materi ujian yang akan keluar di contoh tadi. Nah, ini tadi, terakhir kalinya dia bahas tentang volunteering.
Midterm. Oh, itu volunteering.
Midterm-nya, ini yang contoh nomor ini ya. Nomor 12. Nah, berarti nanti akan ngebahas posisinya dia. Jadi belum loncat dulu ya ke topik sebelumnya, ke selanjutnya. Fokus ke topik tersebut secara mendalam.
Okay.
Questions 13 and 14. Listening to a telephone conversation.
Good morning. Thanks for calling the sales office of Hillman and Johnson Publishers.
Yes, hello. This is Dave Gruning. I'm the manager of Kennedy Bookstore at Southwestern State University. I'm calling to check on the availability of a textbook, Case Studies in International Business, for the spring semester.
Let me just check that on my computer. Let's see. Is that the text by Sternberg?
That's right. I'll need at least 120 copies sent to the bookstore at the latest by next Wednesday.
I can't really promise they'll be there by next Wednesday. It may be the following week.
But that class starts on Monday of the following week.
Number 13. Who is the woman who answers the phone?
Charlie.
Charlie publish.
Oke, officer-nya ya, kan tadi ngangkat telepon, terus ngebahas tentang ketersediaan buku yang mereka jual.
In the store. Yes.
Kalau clerk itu apa ya, Miss?
Clerk
itu
at a
juru ketik
bookstore.
ya, juru tulis.
Sebentar, saya juga lupa. Clerk. Bukan kayak pegawai ya, tapi untuk di toko buku. Sebentar.
Karena siapa Spiderman itu juga lihat tugasnya.
Pegawai toko, Kak.
Oh iya, juru tulis. Bisa pegawai toko
Juru
juga,
tulis.
betul. Pegawai toko. Pegawai toko di bookstore.
Toko di bookstore.
Nah, ini bookstore, tapi tadi dia nelponnya untuk publisher kan?
Publisher, iya.
Oke. Tadi ada ya kata publishers.
Iya, yang perempuan publisher sales office, yang laki-laki clerk bookstore.
Oke, dia bagian bookstore-nya universitas ya.
Number 4. When does this conversation take place?
Kapan?
Before begins.
Enggak paham ya.
Bingung? Yang lainnya gimana number 14?
Bingung sih, Miss.
Oke, bingung. It's okay. Kapan?
To the bookstore at the latest by next Wednesday.
I can't really promise they'll be there by next Wednesday. It may be the following week.
Aku nggak yakin nih, next Wednesday, kayaknya minggu depannya lagi.
But that class starts on Monday of the following week.
Tapi kelas itu dimulai hari Senin minggu depannya. Kelas dimulai, berarti before spring terms begin. Sebelum kelasnya dimulai ya, kan nyari buku. Untuk siswa, masa dikasih pas di akhir, ya kan? Oke, ada kata start-nya.
Number 13. Who is the woman who answers the phone? Number
Yang angkat telepon. Oke, udah tadi ya.
Udah.
Sekarang nomor 15.
I'm looking for an application form for the graduate.
That takes place in a university office.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm looking for an application form for the graduate school. Can I pick one up here?
No, this is the financial aid office. Graduate admissions is across campus from here. Do you know where Nicholson Hall is? It's in the office building next to that.
I'm not sure. I'm not very familiar with this campus.
Number 15. Where does the man probably work?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Oke, kenapa?
This is the financial aid office across in the graduate admission office. Gitu kata dia.
Oke. Kamu tahu ini enggak kantor graduate admission enggak? Oh, enggak. Ini kantor apakah ini graduate admission office? Bukan, ini financial aid office. Nah, berarti dia kerjanya di sini. Nah, di sininya adalah financial aid office.
Aid office.
Oke, misalnya nih kita lagi ada di Alfamart. Kamu tahu nggak? Oh ini Indomaret bukan? Bukan, ini Alfamart. Nah, berarti dia kerjanya di
Alfamart, iya.
Alfamart, tempat yang dia ngomong kayak gitu.
Number 16. What will the rest of the conversation probably deal with?
Alpha.
And
Alfa?
wah, apa B ya?
Bravo, dia kan dia menjelasin tentang Nicholson Hall.
Ya,
Kan
Tuhan.
terus perempuan ini nggak ngerti, berarti nanti mau ditunjukin dia nggak?
Oke.
Ya
Yang
udah
lain
deh
gimana?
ngasih tunjuk jalan kalau misalnya apa across di sini. Terus tahu nggak Nicholson Hall? Nah, aku nggak tahu, nggak paham sama ini apa namanya kampusnya, belum kenal banget sama kampusnya dia bilang.
Oke, coba kita dengar ulang nggak apa-apa ya?
For the
Ini.
graduate school. Can I pick one up here?
No, this is the financial aid office.
Oke, nah ini bukan. Ini kantornya Financial Aid.
Graduate admissions is across campus from here. Do you know where Nicholson Hall is? It's in the office building next to that.
I'm not
Nah, kamu tahu kantor ini nggak? Gedung Nicholson nggak? Nah, itu di sampingnya tuh ada.
sure. I'm not very familiar
Ya
with
nggak?
this campus.
Number 15.
Nah, aku nggak tahu nih, aku nggak familiar. Nah, kalau dia nggak tahu sama daerahnya, kemungkinan mereka bakal diskusi tentang
Direction.
Directions.
Oke. Coba Kak Irna, Kak Siska, Kak Atika, Kak Aulia, Kak Rara, Kak Flo, ada pertanyaan?
No.
Ya ada nih.
Belum. Oke. Besok kita ketemu bahas yang lesson 13 and 14 ya.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, terima kasih untuk hari ini. See you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Sama-sama.
Miss.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum
Bye.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.